Hello, and thanks for tuning in to this presentation from Walla Walla Community College for the Fall Counselor Workshop. My name is Melissa Rodriguez. I'm the Director of Outreach at Walla Walla Community College and also a proud graduate of the college. And what I would like to do today with this little bit of time that I have is give you a tour of our website so that you can find all of the important information that you will need as a high school counselor assisting students in exploring Walla Walla Community College. We are an award-winning college with campuses in both Walla Walla and Clarkston, Washington. If you navigate to our website, which is wwcc.edu, and would like information about our Clarkston campus specifically, you can click here at the top of the page, but we'll be covering general information with you today that apply to students at either campus. You'll see that our webpage has a banner at the top. This slideshow will either have announcements or special information that we would like you to know. It will automatically slide through, or you can click through to see the announcements that are on the page. We also have a chat application on our website where you can instantly engage with real people who work here during business hours, and outside of business hours, you can leave a ticket or engage with our chatbot. To translate the page, you can scroll down just a little ways and find the translate tool here. What I think is the most important tool for folks in your position at the high schools is to visit our Welcome Center and Tours page. This page has information on how to connect with me and other folks who work in outreach and recruitment at the college, our student ambassadors who can provide information about the student experience at the college, upcoming events. Students may also request information if they know they're interested in a program and would like us to reach out to them by filling out a simple form here. You can visit our educational pathways page to explore all of our degrees. We have over 100 certificate and degree programs, and we've organized them by area of interest or educational pathway. For example, you can click on the first one, agricultural and natural resources, and you can see that they're organized in a table from certificate all the way up to bachelor's of applied science degrees. And you can see the check marks under which headings are available. So for example, ag business, we have a certificate, an associate in applied science that's designed directly to take you to go to work. We have an associate in applied science transfer degree that's articulated, this one specifically with Washington State University, so that students can experience 2 years with us and 2 years with them to get their bachelor's degree. And we also have bachelor's of applied science degrees at Walla Walla Community College. So if you wanted to explore this more, you could click here and see all of the required courses and click through to course descriptions on each of those classes. Hopefully this tool will be useful to you. It is a reference guide for high school counselors that's housed on this page. If you click through, you'll find a PDF which you can download and save to your desktop so that you can access basically all of the information that I'm going over with you today and a lot more. Resources, contact information, short descriptions about the college and what we offer, links through to how to schedule appointments and tours, in-depth look at our programs, activities, athletics, and our strong student resources are all listed here for you. At this page, you'll also find links to maps and information on how to schedule campus tours. We are currently accepting individual campus tours and group campus tours. They can be arranged here. If a student is ready to get started, they can click through to their application page on getting started. Walla Walla Community College is open admissions, and they can submit a free application here, wait for their student ID number and acceptance letter, and use that information and instructions to log into our student intake portal. Back at the home page, just a quick reminder that to access information that I've shared with you, scroll down, click on Welcome Center, and you will find all the contact information that will be useful to you. Also at the home page is information, the latest information on how we're managing the coronavirus at the college. I hope that this has been just the information that you needed and that you will find our website accessible. I hope to hear from you, and I look forward to answering your questions about the college and engaging with you and your students. Thank you for your time and attention, and I hope you have a great day.